Hey everyone, I'm back in Benidorm again, and as you all know how I like to improve, I've got myself a new camera. This time a 360 degrees camera, so you can look all the way around, and most of you guys are watching this on your TV. So when you use the arrows on your remote, that's the easiest way to navigate around, and you can decide where you want to watch. Well, I'm gonna try the thing out, so it's trial and error. Gonna see how it goes. Don't forget to give a like. Greatly always promotes the videos, and do subscribe to the channel for more, and let me know in the comments below if this is something I should keep doing. Well, if you look about right there, you can already see the water coming in. There's quite some wind out here today, and that is because of the remnants of the hurricane, the ex-hurricane Gabrielle, that is heading over Spain right now. Most of the Valencian area, that is going to be hit the hardest today. There's quite some rain over there today. Thankfully, here in Benidorm, we had some rain this morning and probably the night as well, but I was asleep. And there's hardly anything. You can see, if you point towards there, the camera, you can see the huge amount of water coming in from the ocean now. Thankfully the sun is out as well. Lovely 25 degrees. It's actually beautiful weather. I'm gonna head towards the rest of the Levante Beach to discover the area along the promenade. And you can see really those dark clouds behind there. Hopefully they'll stay there and we won't notice anything of the bad weather. And in some areas the wind is picking up quite a bit. Don't know yet how the sound is sounding when I'm editing the video, so maybe I have to put some music over it in areas where it gets very windy. So I need to see that as well. On the right side, the first few bars are coming up right now. Quite busy over at the restaurant on the right. And those people over there having some lovely drinks in the sunshine. Believe me, 25 degrees, it feels quite hot and quite warm as well. Got the Tiki Beach coming up. First we have the Jungle Bar. One of the bars where you can sit more relaxed over there. On the left, quite some water as well. Heading already from the ocean towards here. Wind is picking up right now. I do notice that during the day it was quite mild. But right now it is improving, yeah. As well, the forecast says around 9 or so the rain will be the heaviest over here. For Benidorm, but we'll see how it turns out. Sticky Beach and the one next to it, Cayman, are well prepared for the rain to hit. Make sure everyone can stay dry. Some people waving there behind me. Well, that is probably also one of the more advantages of this new camera. I don't have to point it anywhere anymore because it records literally 360 degrees around me. Can even look up in the palm trees or the buildings, what is happening over there, on the ground, what is all lying around over there, left, behind, seagulls flying over, yeah, you name it, you can see it all now. And you decide what you want to see. That's, I think, one of the biggest advantages of this. Well, this isn't going to be the new standard or anything, just some nice extras, of course, to do once in a while. And of course I need to check out what else I can do all with this camera, so you're probably going to see that in the upcoming weeks as well. So one of the things is with this camera, because it films all the way around, the overall quality is very high, but because you're just looking at about 20% of the whole image on your TV or on your phone or your laptop, but don't know where you want to watch it. But because you're just watching at 20% of it, that means the quality is going to be a little bit less than with a regular camera I usually film with. So, like for instance, usually I can see Alicante quite well from here. Right now it's located right over there, it's quite bright, and you even can see some of the towers over there on the beach of Alicante. So I'm quite curious to see later on when I'm editing this video, or I can see that one back, Alicante in the distance. Of course it's not made, these cameras, for far in the distance, but I do want to know what the quality is of it. So as I said, a little bit trial and error. See what's working out, what not. And normally I'm editing these bits out, of course, where I think like, should I do this, maybe not. Then I'm editing them out on my laptop when I'm making it a video of. But now this time I'm just leaving them in, as I said, trial and error. I'm gonna show you guys my first walk with this one. Oh, got the red flag over there on the beach. Back there was still the yellow, I think. Well, the waves are less high over here and compared towards the back.
Papo, pero cógelo ahora.
O push bike up.
Okay, so right now I've done quite a bit of the Levante Beach. Let's head towards the right over here. Towards the Avenida Mediterraneo. See how it is over there. Usually I have to turn my camera off because of police somewhere. Because I'm pointing at them. But now, you guys can look around. See what they're all doing. I think this is watching the beach. There's no one going around over there with drinks or anything. Hardly anyone in the sands. But I think the water temperature is quite warm still, around 26 degrees. I don't know, I should have looked it up beforehand. But I think it's still quite warm. It usually is in September, beginning of October. Let's get across the street. Over there on that side there are many more bars than over here on the left, on the right. And I need to keep talking due to the copyright music, don't want that. Quite busy at the bar, the Bulldog. Kathmandu has opened. Oh, it smells lovely in there. Full bus right behind, right next to me, heading towards the airport. Those people had an amazing holiday. Temperatures last week were very well, around 26, 27 even sometimes, I believe. Well, today 25, tomorrow I believe around the same. And the day after are gonna be around a little bit up again, I believe. And it will stay around this. So it's perfect weather to still wear some shorts, t-shirts, even have a swim, because most water of pools and even the ocean is still quite warm. And as the sun is out, it's quite hot. Another bus on the right. And the terrace on the left of me, they had bucket deals for €8. So the prices are getting there a bit again. Usually it was around 10. we got Silver City. Prices over here for drinks. 2 pints, $3.50, and 2 bottles, €3. So they haven't adjusted that price. Well, of course, those are daytime offers. At night, most of it is more expensive. Really is busy in the grill house. All the left side of it, which is open, is filled up. The one on the right, where I'm walking right by right now, that one, even the lights aren't on. That for a Monday. Okay, there we are. Avenida Filipinas. And I think this is also the area where I wanna end recording this video. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Please don't forget to give it a like, do subscribe for more. And I hope this turns out quite well, so I can do it more often. It was definitely a nice experience to do something different for once. Okay, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.